A new technological arms race is underway, with OpenAI and xAI vying for the future of artificial intelligence. At the center, OpenAI, the original pioneer, now partnered with Microsoft and Apple, and xAI, Elon Musk's bold challenger. This isn't just about market share, it's a clash of visions for how AI should shape our world. OpenAI, once a non-profit, now operates as a capped profit powerhouse, balancing idealism with commercial reality. xAI, founded by Musk in 2023, claims to champion truth and transparency, aiming to build an AI that seeks to understand the universe itself. The rivalry is personal. Sam Altman leads OpenAI's global expansion, while Musk, a former co-founder, leverages his empire to disrupt the status quo. The stakes: innovation, privacy, ethics, and the very nature of our digital future. OpenAI and xAI began with a shared dream: artificial general intelligence, or AGI, created for the benefit of all humanity. In the early days, there was a sense of unity and optimism, a belief that collaboration could unlock the secrets of intelligence. But as ambitions grew and challenges mounted, that unity fractured, giving rise to two very different visions for the future. OpenAI started as a non-profit in 2015, with a bold mission to democratize AGI and ensure its benefits would be shared by everyone, not just a privileged few. The founders envisioned open research, transparency, and a global community working together, but the staggering cost of progress forced a dramatic shift. By 2019, OpenAI became a capped profit company, raising billions from Microsoft and other investors. This move sparked debate. Was it a necessary evolution or a compromise of core values? Elon Musk, disillusioned by this pivot and concerned about the growing influence of big tech and politics, left OpenAI. In 2023, he founded xAI, determined to revive the original mission, pursuing truthful AI, free from corporate and political influence, and guided by transparency. xAI's strategy is unique, leveraging Musk's vast network of companies from Tesla to SpaceX to create powerful synergies. The goal: build an AI ecosystem on his own terms, integrating advanced AI into real-world technologies. OpenAI's story is one of adaptation, constantly evolving to survive and thrive in a world that demands both massive capital and unprecedented scale. Its journey reflects the tension between idealism and the realities of business. xAI's is a story of rebellion, born from dissent, driven by a singular vision, and fueled by a desire to challenge the status quo in AI development. Now, their divergent philosophies define the battle lines: pragmatic evolution versus uncompromising idealism. Each path offers a different answer to the question, who should control the future of intelligence? The outcome of this rivalry will shape not just the technology, but the very nature of AGI, and ultimately, the future of humanity itself. Musk's xAI is built on a foundation of vertical integration, harnessing the combined power and resources of X, Tesla, and SpaceX to create a truly unique AI powerhouse. By uniting these companies under a single vision, xAI is able to leverage expertise, data, and infrastructure that few others can match. The secret weapon: real-time data from X, which gives Grok, xAI's flagship model, a live pulse on global conversation. This constant stream of up-to-the-second information allows Grok to stay relevant, adapt quickly, and understand the world as it changes. Unlike its rivals, xAI embeds Grok directly into X and Tesla dashboards, creating a powerful feedback loop of real-world data and rapid iteration. This integration means Grok is always learning, always evolving, and always connected to users in their daily lives. Musk is investing billions in custom infrastructure, building massive data centers and securing advanced GPUs to ensure xAI's independence from traditional cloud giants. This bold move is about more than just hardware. It's about control, security, and the freedom to innovate at scale. This approach is undeniably risky and extremely expensive, but it gives xAI unprecedented control over its own destiny, allowing it to move faster and take bigger bets than competitors tied to outside providers. Grok's personality, witty, rebellious, and unfiltered, reflects Musk's vision of a truth-seeking AI. It's designed to challenge assumptions, push boundaries, and offer insights that are as bold as they are unconventional. Critics warn this could amplify misinformation or controversy, but for Musk, this unfiltered approach is a defining feature, not a flaw. It's about creating an AI that isn't afraid to speak its mind. xAI's identity is inseparable from its founder's bold philosophy and relentless drive for innovation. The result? A challenger with a distinct edge in data, integration, and ambition, poised to reshape the future of artificial intelligence. OpenAI's fortress is built on incumbency, partnerships, and a vast user base. ChatGPT's explosive growth made it the fastest-growing app ever, generating invaluable data and brand loyalty. Microsoft's $13 billion investment provides OpenAI with cloud power and deep integration across enterprise products. Apple's 2024 partnership puts ChatGPT in the hands of over 1 billion users, making it the default AI for iPhones and Macs. xAI's lawsuit challenges this dominance, but for now, OpenAI's distribution is unmatched. OpenAI's mature ecosystem, APIs, developer tools, and subscriptions creates a self-sustaining business. The company is no longer just a lab, it's a global platform with formidable defenses. The xAI-OpenAI rivalry plays out across 4 major fronts: models, compute, distribution, and business models. These are the battlegrounds where the future of artificial intelligence is being decided, and each company is determined to outpace the other at every turn. OpenAI leads in language models with GPT, setting the standard for natural language understanding. But xAI's Grok is catching up fast, excelling in real-time conversational tasks and pushing the boundaries of what AI can do in dynamic, everyday scenarios. OpenAI relies on Microsoft's Azure for compute, scaling efficiently and leveraging one of the world's most powerful cloud infrastructures to train and deploy its models at massive scale. Meanwhile, xAI is building its own data centers from the ground up, betting on long-term independence and control over its hardware, which could give it a strategic edge in the years ahead. Distribution is key. OpenAI's ChatGPT is everywhere, on the web, on mobile, and deeply integrated into Apple devices, making it accessible to millions at any moment. xAI counters by embedding Grok directly into X and Tesla, turning cars and social platforms into AI-powered experiences and reaching users in new, innovative ways. The fight is for default access. Whoever owns the interface wins the user. Being the go-to AI assistant means shaping habits and becoming indispensable in daily life. OpenAI monetizes through subscriptions and APIs, offering its technology to developers and businesses worldwide, and building a robust ecosystem around its services. xAI uses Grok to enhance X and Tesla, focusing on ecosystem value and creating seamless, AI-driven experiences across its platforms. Each company's approach reflects its DNA. OpenAI sells AI as a service, aiming for broad adoption and integration across industries, while xAI uses AI to supercharge its empire, weaving intelligence into every part of its ecosystem and amplifying the reach of its brands. The winner will shape how billions interact with technology, influencing not just products, but the very fabric of our digital lives for years to come. The battle is relentless, and the front lines are everywhere. From boardrooms to living rooms, from code to culture. The outcome will define the next era of AI, setting the stage for how intelligence is woven into the world around us. The core divide data. OpenAI trains on vast, static internet snapshots, fine-tuned for safety and reliability. This creates a knowledgeable but cautious AI, often lagging behind current events. xAI's Grok, by contrast, feeds on the live, chaotic stream from X, making it current, edgy, and sometimes controversial. Musk argues real-time data is essential for truth-seeking AI, but it risks amplifying misinformation and bias. OpenAI's curated approach prioritizes safety and control, but can feel sanitized and disconnected. xAI's unfiltered method offers immediacy, but at the cost of reliability. The challenge: can either company overcome the flaws of their chosen data paradigm? This philosophical split is at the heart of their rivalry. The winner may be the one who best balances truth, safety, and relevance. Both xAI and OpenAI face daunting legal, ethical, and infrastructural challenges. xAI's antitrust lawsuit against Apple and OpenAI aims to break their grip on distribution, but risks painting Musk as litigious. OpenAI faces lawsuits over its profit-driven pivot and close ties to Microsoft, raising questions about its original mission. Ethical debates swirl around both xAI's unfiltered data risks, OpenAI's perceived corporate capture. Infrastructure is another battleground. xAI builds its own data centers, facing environmental scrutiny. OpenAI relies on Microsoft, risking dependency. Both must secure massive computational power while managing public and regulatory backlash. The legal and ethical stakes are as high as the technological ones. Every move is under the microscope. The future of AI hinges on how these challenges are navigated. The xAI-OpenAI rivalry is reshaping the tech landscape for everyone. For developers and startups, it means more powerful tools, lower costs, and greater access to AI. For consumers, AI becomes a daily companion, embedded in cars, phones, and digital assistants. But risks abound. Ideological splits could create AI echo chambers, and misinformation may spread if guardrails fail. The competition forces society to confront questions about bias, safety, and digital literacy. Legal battles could redefine platform power, while ethical debates push regulators to act. This is more than a business feud. It's a test of how we govern transformative technology. The outcome will shape the digital world for years to come. As of late 2025, OpenAI is the entrenched leader, xAI the insurgent challenger. OpenAI consolidates its position with scale and partnerships. xAI chips away with real-time data and hardware integration. The next few years will hinge on three factors: model breakthroughs, legal outcomes, and Musk's unpredictable leadership. If xAI's Grok surpasses GPT in reasoning or personalization, the balance could shift rapidly. Legal victories could upend the status quo, while missteps could derail either side. OpenAI must balance innovation with ethical commitments. xAI must harness Musk's drive without succumbing to controversy. The central question: will AI's future be open and competitive, or dominated by closed ecosystems? The story is still unfolding, and its ending will be shaped by choices made today.